communities in the senatorial district that affected areas include Kiana, Aloshi communities in Kiana local government, Agbashi and Iponu communities in Doma local government, as well as Awe town in Awe local government area. Further notes that the preliminary assessment indicates that over 100 buildings, including residential homes, places of worship, and other vital infrastructures like schools and health facilities have been destroyed by the ferocious winds. The unfortunate incident has placed a lot of people in the affected communities, has affected a lot of people in the communities. Unfortunately, lives were also lost.
Prayer 2. Urge the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, to send immediate relief materials to the affected victims in Awe, Aloshi, Kiana, Abashi, and Ikponu communities of Nassarawa South Senatorial District. Those in support of prayer 2 say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it.